Okay, hello everyone. Let's continue with loops in Python. Now we know how to write a while loop. Okay, let's take an example of how to use the while loops. We want to ask the user to enter an even number. First, we want to remove this n variable equal input then I will ask the user to enter an even number. As we know that input function returns a string, so I want to convert from string to integer. I want the user to enter an even integer number, okay, not a float number. If we run this program, you may enter, for example, 20. 20 is an even number, as we know, because if we divided 20 by 2, the result will be 10. Okay? But if we entered an odd number like 11, 11 is not an even number. So here the user may enter an even number or an odd number. I want to check if the number entered by the user is an even number. If it's not an even number, I will keep asking the user to enter an even number. Okay? How we can do it? First, we have to define a function called is underscore even, and this function will use a parameter n, okay, and we will ask if n modulus 2, if n modulus 2 equal 0, colon, then our function will return true. This condition means that n modulus 2, let's assume that n equal 10. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So the remainder of dividing 10 by 2 is 0. So if the remainder of dividing n by 2 equal to 0, this means that n is an even number. If not, this means n is not an even number. Okay? So here we will say else, return false. So again, we have a function called isEven, takes an argument n and checks if the remainder of dividing n by 2 is equal to 0. This means that n is an even number. So the function will return true. If the remainder of dividing n by 2 not equal to 0, the function will return false, because in this case n is not an even number. Okay? Then while isEven n equal to false, then I will ask the user to enter n again. To enter a new even number. Then we will print n is, use here f. So before running our program, let's read it again. First, we ask the user to enter an even number, and I want this even number to be an integer. So I convert from the string to an integer. Then we defined a function to check if n is an even number or not. If it's even number, the function will return true. If it's not, the function will return false. Okay? Then while isEven n equal to false means if isEven n function returns false. If this function returns false, this means that n is not an even number. So we will keep asking the user to enter an even number. Then if the user enters an even number, we will print in is, for example, 10, 4, 2, whatever the number, but it should be an even number. Okay? In this function, we used the if statement, if else statement. Okay? Don't worry if you don't know how to use it. For now, we will take the if statement in the next lessons, so don't worry about this. Okay? Okay, let's try to run our program. Okay, the computer asking me enter an even number. I will try 3. It's not accepted because it's an odd number, not an even number. We'll try 5. It's not accepted also. We'll try 7. It's not accepted also. I will try 9. It will not be accepted also. We'll try 1. It will not be accepted also. I will try 13. It will not be accepted also. I will try 23. It's not accepted also. I will try 44. It will be accepted. So now in is 44 because 44 is an even number. Because that when you divide 44 by 2, the remainder will equal to 0. Then the function returns true. So true is not equal to false, so the condition here will be false. So the while loop terminates. Then we print the value of n. So we are done for this lesson with while loops. In the next lesson we will learn for loops. So see you next lesson and bye.